how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So if you're facing a problem with WhatsApp verification code, then the first thing you need to check is the internet connection. But if it is not the internet connection, if your internet connection is stable, then you should open up your settings, go for apps and notifications, go for see all apps, and then open up your WhatsApp application on your settings. Go for notifications, which is on the first option. So the main thing is you need to turn on your notifications of WhatsApp. If you have turned off the notifications like this, then you won't receive any notification, like any code or any message on WhatsApp. So what you have to do is simply turn on the notifications and your problem will be fixed. Major problem will be fixed. But if it's not the notifications, then you can simply go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache, and this might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can go for Play Store and then search for WhatsApp, and here you can simply go for update if you have the update option on your Play Store, and after updating your problem might be fixed. But if it's not the update, then you can simply hold on to that power button, and here you can get restart option on the upper right side. You can simply go for a restart, and after restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.